guys, and welcome back to HannahsHawtGlam, and today I just wanted to do a nice Valentine cute flirty makeup look for you guys. I hope you guys really enjoy it, and also go check out my Instagram. I do post a lot more looks than I do here on here. I do some like cool trendy looks and stuff, so there should be a thing here maybe if I can figure out how to edit it in. Kind of showing you a couple of my looks, so go check me out there, and let's get into the look. So for this look today, I just wanted to do just a nice Valentine's look. Also, if you can hear the wind, it is like freaking out right now, and so the wind is just not being a friend today. So today I just wanted to go into a palette that I haven't actually used in a while, but I was just like, this palette just screams Valentine's Day, and it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. So we're gonna go into this palette today and create just like a fun Valentine's Day look. So first we are going to go into the shade Burnt Orange just as our transition shade, with a ColourPop brush. And if I'm looking this way, it's because there's a mirror right over here and my monitor. So we're just gonna take this through the crease. I'm just gonna take the shade Red Ochre. I love this shade. It's probably one of my favorite shades in this palette. It is just so gorgeous. And for some reason, my brush got wet. Ooh. Next, I'm gonna go into the shade Venetian Red on just a more tapered, precise brush, and we're just gonna put this in the outer corner and kind of put the rest of it through the crease, but it's just mainly gonna go on the outer corner. And now I'm just gonna take a clean, fluffy brush and just go over it just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. I'm gonna take the shade Love Letter up here, and I'm going to deepen the crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm just going to use my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer and taking that on like a nice, precise, small brush so we can really get that preciseness. That makes sense. And I have to bring my mirror close because I gotta be precise with this. I'm just going to go and kind of like do the most there, and then cut it. And we're only going to do a half cut crease, so I'm only going to go to about 3/4 of the way over to my eye. For like where we put that, I'm going to go into the shade Vermeer. It's just like this nice icy shade just on my finger. Place that down. Woo, that is pigmented. And now I'm just gonna go back in with the shade Love Letter and put that just to kind of help make it seamless. And just a tad bit into the crease. And notice how I'm like, my head is tilted back when I'm going into the crease, so I make sure that we have like that precise half cut crease line. And now I'm going to take an angled pencil brush, and I'm going to go back into the shade Love Letter, and I'm just going to take this and put it right above that area right there. Just to make sure that it's nice and cut. And then I'm going to take a kind of small fluffy crease brush and I'm going to go into the shade Tempera and put that on my brow bone just so that everything is like nice and blended. Of course we're going to go in with a brow bone highlight, but I just want to make sure that everything's nice and blended with this. Alright, now I'm going to go put on some eyeliner and my lashes and I'll be right back. I swear it took me literally 10 minutes to put my lashes on. I don't know what was going on, but my lashes took so long. But I just put on my Sephora House of Lashes in the shade Cecile, the style Cecile. Love these lashes, they're so pretty and just like fluttery and just flirty and just great for Valentine's Day. And now the bottom lash line, I'm just going to go in with the shade Burnt Orange right here. Again, and just smoke that out. Nation Red is to put that right under that lash line. And I'm going to smoke that out with Red Ochre, just a little bit. I'm going to take the shade Vermeer again, same one that we put up top. Now I'm just going to take my lipstick. I'm just going to do like this brown shade from Anastasia. It's in the shade Ashton, because I think that if we did pink it would be too much of an overkill. Okay, ColourPop Aquamarine setting spray. I just soaked. What is going on? What is going on? If that ruined my makeup, I have to go to work after this. I'm so mad right now. Quite honestly, really mad right now. If this ends up like ruining my makeup, I have to go to work after this. Huh. Anyway, we are done. I hope you guys liked this nice Valentine's Day pinky half cut crease look, and I hope you guys followed along. Also, go follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram and my Depop. I do sell some makeup on my Depop. Go check that out. Links will be down in the description below. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Stay classy and have a great day. Bye.